Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A04s. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings, it's always here on the top. Then you need to scroll down to the point. General Management. It has a gray icon here in front with some white stuff to adjust things in it. Tap on it. Now you will need the first point, Language. So, and maybe you will have a list here already. No? And if your language is part of that list, like in my case Deutsch, so German, so tap on the number, go on the blue button to apply, and then the phone will be in the language you want to have. In my case, German. Okay, let me put it back into English right now, because I want to show you what to do if your language is not part of that list. Then we will need the green plus symbol here to add a language. And then you have many opportunities here. And yeah, choose the language you want to have. Let's continue maybe with English, to follow the video better, and then you can choose as well a dialect. No? Maybe let's take the dialect from Ireland and go on set as default after, and then the phone will be in the language you want to have, in my case in English with the dialect of Ireland. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with that. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. I'm sorry for my voice. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.